Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Music app. So you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find your apps, click on it. You will find here uh, apps list. And can you're looking for Amazon Music or just click on search. Add here Amazon Music, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on force stop, click on OK. You're scrolling down here, click on storage until you will find this list, click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here, you search here for Amazon Music, it's going to show for you like this. You will find your update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,